Welcome back to Auto's Car, where classic power meets timeless design. Today, we're diving into a true icon of American muscle history. The 1965 Chevrolet Nova, a compact, aggressive, and stylish beast that made waves when it first hit the streets, and still commands respect wherever it goes. The 1965 Chevy Nova was part of the first generation of the Nova lineup, a car born from the need for a lightweight, affordable performance vehicle. What made the 65 Nova stand out was its clean, no-nonsense styling and impressive power-to-weight ratio. It wasn't just a car for getting from point A to B, it was a statement asterisk under the hood. The 1965 Nova came with several engine options, including the high-performance Super Sport version that featured a 327 cubic inch V8, producing up to 300 horsepower. This gave the Nova the muscle to go head-to-head with some of the big names of the era, while keeping its compact edge asterisk on the outside. The Nova carried sharp, simple lines with just enough chrome to shine without being flashy. Its lightweight body made it a favorite at the drag strip, while the available two-door hardtop model gave it a sporty profile that appealed to young drivers and gearheads alike. Inside, it was modest but functional, with bucket seats, a clean dash layout, and an overall driving experience that put you in control. The Nova wasn't about luxury, it was about raw, honest performance. Even today, the 1965 Chevrolet Nova holds its place as a collector's favorite. It's a symbol of American automotive engineering done right. Whether restored or modified, the Nova continues to impress with its power, simplicity, and timeless muscle car charm.